Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to learn how can I see who saw my stories on Facebook without being friends. So I'm going to go to my profile on Facebook and then I'm going down and down until settings and privacy. There I'm going to display a new menu and I'm going to privacy shortcuts. Once there, I'm going to click on Take a Privacy Checkup. Now on the first option, who can see what you share? I'm going to continue. Here I can control who's looking to my profile information, for instance my email or my birthday and so on. I'm going to click on Next. And here are the stories. So here it says, control who can see your stories. Stories are visible for 24 hours on Facebook and Messenger. Here I have public. In most cases, the available option here are friends. So you'll have to change it to public. So in that way, anyone on Facebook can see your story. And then you can go back and back and back and back until the story you have published. And if you go in and you click on the 5 viewers by now, you can check who saw your story. And that's the way to know who saw your stories on Facebook without being friends.